7 Simple exercises for memory. Something as simple as taking a different route to work can help us improve our memory by forcing it to stay alert due to changes. On many occasions, we do not quite remember certain things due to problems related to our memory. This is something that you can easily fix if you follow a series of tips. 1. Change the watch to strengthen your memory. If you change the watch of the hand in which you usually use it, you will have to exercise your memory to remember where it is. 2. Walk in various directions. In spaces that you know, take the opportunity to walk back and forth, alternating directions. 3. Dress with your eyes closed. This, believe it or not, can also help you improve your memory. Get dressed with your eyes closed. Of course, you will have to bear in mind that this can delay the procedure, so, if you go to work, you will have to take a little more time. 4. Stimulate your palate. Stimulating your palate can also be a good exercise for your memory. You can exercise it both in the company of your partner and with your friends. The best thing is that you do it by trying things that you know that you will like. This will ensure a pleasant experience. 5. Look at photos in a different way. It is important that you look for old photos and start looking at them carefully. You can grab them and look at them upside down. Pay attention to those details that you have never stopped before and pay special attention to them. 6. Look at the time in a different way. To look at the time in a different way, you will have to follow these steps. Put a clock in front of a mirror and you can see the time backward. If you leave the clock and the mirror in a place where you usually pass to check the time, you will see that your brain surprises you. 7. Check the dictionary. Never stop learning. You do not have to be studying different subjects for life but acquire a healthy habit. Consult the dictionary. Learn a word a day and go include it in your private dictionary. Other tips. One of the keys to having a good memory, beyond carrying out certain exercises like these, is eating well and following a proper diet. And it is that the foods we eat play a fundamental role in our memory. It is important to follow a diet based on fresh vegetables, healthy fats, and avoid sugar and carbohydrates. Thanks to its content of antioxidants and other compounds, foods such as curry, celery, broccoli, cauliflower, walnuts. In this way we protect our brain health and stimulate the proper functioning of neurons and their connections.